Meteorologist Sam Postage in the Weather Center. And Sam, thankfully we're not dealing with those brutally hot temperatures like they are on the West Coast, but we are dealing with a lot of that haze, which is not good.
Yeah, all of the haze and smoke from California, Oregon, Idaho is being transported our way from the upper level winds, which I'll be able to show you here in a second. I wanted first to point out a time lapse that I recorded this morning. So this was the sunrise over Colorado Springs. Just look at all the haze off in the distance, some of those reds and oranges really popping up on the screen. And that's the name of the game today. This is your current shot, Steve's paint supply camera, and the sun a little bit higher, more or less just orange off into the distance with that layer of haze closer to the surface. And we can expect sunny skies today, but it won't necessarily feel sunny because of all the smoke in the atmosphere. Check out the transport of smoke across the entire Intermountain West. These little blips of red in California, that's where the fires are, Oregon, and then also into Idaho and everywhere from Montana down into New Mexico, even western Texas, dealing with dense smoke. And that's what we're going to be dealing with the next couple days until this upper level ridge of high pressure actually decays a bit by Wednesday. So notice the clockwise motion of this high pressure system. So you see those westerly winds shift northerly and really drop all of the smoke into Colorado Springs and across western Colorado. But again, by about Wednesday and Thursday, this little trough system will help to push all of that high pressure a little bit further off to the east, which should clear out our air qualities just a bit by our mid to late week forecast. Here's your air quality index. Current readings are just putting Chaffee County in the moderate range. Colorado Springs, Pueblo, Canyon City, and also Springfield are still listed at good, but I really don't expect that to last through the day today. Once we get into the late morning, early afternoon, a lot of the haze pushes in across I-25, even these shades of yellow starting to pop up in El Paso County. Denver is under air quality alerts today because of all the smoke. Walsenburg and Alamosa, San Luis Valley, quite hazy through the day today. So moderate to poor air qualities are expected for the vast majority of us. Eastern Colorado might be able to escape most of the smoke. 55 right now in Colorado Springs, a comfortable start to the day, and should be getting into the upper 80s later this afternoon. Really no precip chance in Colorado Springs until after 10 p.m. tonight, so our day will be spent dry, hazy, and sunny. 88 Walsenburg this afternoon. La Junta is actually the warmest spot, closing in on triple-digit heat, not quite getting there, and temperatures will just be flatlining through the week ahead with light winds. We'll be sitting in the upper 80s and low 90s through even our Thursday and Friday forecast. Nothing on the radar quite yet. That will change a bit by later this afternoon. The first place to start to see those showers develop are the Collegiate Peaks and then just off to the east of Buena Vista. And then most of the rain and isolated thunderstorms will push off to the south pretty quickly. Then by 10 p.m., some of those showers up in Teller County. But once we lose our daytime heating, we also lose a lot of that surface instability. So it wouldn't surprise me if Colorado Springs actually doesn't deal with a lot of rainfall after 10 o'clock tonight with those showers fizzling out. Canyon City, low 90s for today and sticking around in the low 90s the next couple days. It's looking like this afternoon will actually be the driest day of the week. Tuesday through Friday, likely seeing thunderstorm chances during the PM hours. Morning sunshine and then the thunderstorms after about 1 o'clock for tomorrow and then also on Wednesday. Of course, we'll have more news and weather after the break.